Isaac, can you dunk it? Can you dunk the ball?
Dad? Dad?
You want to watch Baby Einstein?
Baby Einstein all done, Isaac.
I was like, no, Baby Einstein.
Go dunk the ball.
I said, no, Baby Einstein. We'll watch. How about Isaac? We'll watch it Saturday, okay? We'll watch it Saturday. Saturday after your bath. We'll watch it. Saturday after your bath, we'll watch it, okay? Okay, honey? Watch it Saturday. Breakfast? You want breakfast? But honey, it's not. It's time for dinner. You want dinner? Dinner?
Papa?
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 You hungry? Okay, let's eat dinner, honey.
Let's go. Let's go eat dinner. Yay.